The fair value gap involves three candles in a specific formation, and if you find the right one, it can give you some great winning trades. But not all fair value gaps are created equal. For instance, this FVG worked and this one didn't. So how can we make sure we are only trading successful fair value gaps? Like I said earlier, a fair value gap involves three candles. The first candle can literally do whatever it wants. The second candle has to be a sharp move. But the third candle is what we want to pay close attention to. If the third candle shows a bullish break above the second candle and closes like this, it likely means the move will continue higher without coming back down to the gap. So we don't really want these types of FVGs. What we want is something that looks like this, where the third candle is consolidating. This gives the price an easy chance to come back down to the gap, allowing us to enter once it does, and then we can profit from the move up.